here is how you can change dictation language in Wispr Flow. So let's get a look at it. Open your Wispr Flow app, and once you are here in your account, on the left we want to open our settings. Now make sure you are in General section, and here you're gonna find Dictation Languages. So simply click on Change. Now you can select the languages you want to use with Flow. So select all languages which you're gonna dictate, or you can always select auto detect, so it's gonna automatically detect your language if needed, if you are switching between languages, etc. But even if you don't select the dictation language, let me show it to you. I'm gonna close this. It's gonna also rewrite your speaking language. So let me try it right now. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Spasiba. Das Hund. Přeji vám hezký den. So as you can see, now I try to speak 4 other different languages, but these languages are not selected in my dictation settings, and even without that it can dictate that language. So you don't have to actually select the language which you want to dictate, but if you want to, you can do it anytime, or just select the auto detect. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.